Looking for reliable, eco-friendly power anywhere you go? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 13 best solar power generators that deliver clean energy for camping, emergencies, and everyday backup needs. Whether you're off-grid or just want peace of mind during outages, these powerful and portable options have you covered. Here at Smart Gadget Reviews, I focus on performance, value, and real-world usability. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews.
Solar Generator Power Station. The Solar Generator Power Station is a dependable all-around solution built for users who want reliable, portable energy without complications. I like how it balances power output and portability, making it great for camping, road trips, and emergency backup at home. It features multiple output ports, including AC, USB, and DC, so you can easily charge phones, laptops, lights, and small appliances at the same time. The battery holds charge well and delivers stable performance over long periods. Its compact and sturdy design makes it easy to carry while still feeling durable in outdoor environments. Solar charging works efficiently when paired with compatible panels, giving you a clean and renewable power source.
Solar Power Generator Hub. The Solar Power Generator Hub is designed for smooth energy management and reliable multi-device performance. What I really like is how efficiently it distributes power across different outputs without any noticeable drop in performance. It comes with a high-capacity lithium battery that supports extended usage, making it ideal for both outdoor adventures and unexpected outages. The interface is clean and simple, allowing even beginners to operate it confidently. It runs quietly, which is perfect when you need power indoors or during peaceful nights outdoors. Solar charging is consistent and performs well in good sunlight conditions, helping you stay powered without relying on traditional electricity. The build quality feels strong and dependable, ensuring long-term use. SolarPower 300-watt generator kit. The SolarPower 300-watt generator kit is a solid entry-level option that offers great value for users stepping into solar energy. I find it perfect for charging everyday devices like smartphones, tablets, cameras, and small electronics. The included solar panel makes it convenient to start generating renewable power right away without needing extra purchases. Its lightweight and compact design makes it extremely portable, ideal for travel, hiking, or keeping in emergency kits. Despite its smaller size, it provides stable and consistent output for light to moderate use. Built-in safety protections help prevent overcharging and short circuits, which adds peace of mind during operation. The setup process is simple and beginner-friendly. Overall, it's an affordable and practical generator kit that delivers reliable performance while keeping things easy and accessible. Daran 600-watt solar generator kit. The Daran 600-watt solar generator kit is built for users who need more power and flexibility in their setup. I really like how it can handle multiple devices at once, including small appliances, tools, and electronics without struggling. The higher battery capacity allows for longer usage, making it great for extended trips or backup power situations. It also supports fast recharging, which saves time when you need power quickly. The design feels rugged yet modern, built to handle outdoor environments while still looking sleek. The included solar panel works efficiently, providing steady energy under good sunlight. Its safety system protects against overload and overheating, ensuring reliable operation. Overall, it's a powerful and well-built generator that offers excellent performance for users needing more than basic energy solutions.
SolarMini 135-watt generator hub. The SolarMini 135-watt generator hub is perfect for users who prioritize portability and simplicity over heavy power output. I really like how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to carry in a backpack or store in tight spaces. It's ideal for charging essential devices like phones, cameras, and small gadgets during short trips or emergencies. The interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly, so there's no learning curve involved. Solar charging works efficiently for its size, especially for light daily usage. Despite its small form, it delivers consistent and stable power when needed. The build quality feels solid enough for regular use and travel. Overall, it's a practical and affordable choice for anyone looking for a compact solar generator for basic and portable energy needs. SolarGo 300-watt generator hub. The SolarGo 300-watt generator hub offers a great balance between portability and reliable performance, making it a strong mid-range option. I like how it provides enough power to run multiple devices, such as laptops, lights, and small appliances without issues. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to transport, whether you're heading outdoors or preparing for emergencies. The control panel is intuitive and clearly displays battery levels and usage, which adds convenience. Charging is efficient through both solar panels and wall outlets, giving you flexibility depending on your situation. It includes important safety features to protect connected devices from damage. The battery life is dependable, ensuring consistent performance over time. Overall, it's a well-rounded generator that delivers solid value and versatility for everyday use.
EcoFlow Delta Solar Generator. The EcoFlow Delta Solar Generator is a high-performance unit designed for users who need serious power output. What stands out immediately is its incredibly fast charging capability, which significantly reduces downtime. I find it perfect for running larger appliances, making it ideal for home backup or long outdoor trips. The build quality feels premium and durable, ensuring long-term reliability. It supports multiple output ports, allowing you to power several devices at once without any issues. The solar input is highly efficient, helping you maximize energy collection throughout the day. Its advanced battery management system enhances safety and longevity. The interface is modern and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Overall, it's a powerful, efficient, and dependable generator built for demanding energy needs. Anker SOLIX C1000 Solar Generator. The Anker SOLIX C1000 solar generator is built with a strong focus on durability, performance, and long-lasting battery life. I really like how it delivers consistent power across multiple devices, making it ideal for both indoor backup and outdoor use. Its advanced battery technology ensures a longer lifespan compared to standard generators. The design feels premium and rugged, giving confidence in its durability. It charges quickly, which is a huge advantage when you're short on time. The display is clear and informative, allowing you to monitor power usage easily. Solar charging is efficient and reliable when paired with compatible panels. It also includes built-in safety systems to protect your devices. Overall, it's a dependable and powerful generator that performs exceptionally well in various situations.
SolarFold 300-watt power generator. The SolarFold 300-watt power generator is designed with portability and convenience as top priorities. I really like its foldable solar panel design, which makes it easy to carry and store during travel or outdoor activities. It delivers stable power for essential devices like phones, cameras, and laptops, making it ideal for camping trips. The setup process is quick and simple, so you can start using it without any hassle. Its lightweight construction makes it perfect for people who are always on the move. The battery capacity supports moderate usage, providing reliable power when needed. The durable build ensures it can handle outdoor conditions without problems. Overall, it's a smart and practical choice for users who want portable solar power without sacrificing basic performance. SolarLite 300-watt generator kit. The SolarLite 300-watt generator kit is a user-friendly option that offers reliable performance for everyday power needs. I like how simple and straightforward it is, making it perfect for beginners who want an easy solar solution. It provides stable output for devices like laptops, lights, and small appliances. The included solar panel allows you to start generating renewable energy right away. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry during trips or store for emergencies. The interface is clean and easy to understand, with no complicated controls. Charging efficiency is solid, especially under direct sunlight conditions. Built-in safety features protect your devices during use. Overall, it's a dependable and accessible generator kit that delivers consistent performance without unnecessary complexity.
IEE P3200 Solar Generator Hub. The IEE P3200 Solar Generator Hub is designed for users who need high-capacity power and advanced performance. I really appreciate its ability to handle heavy loads, including larger appliances and multiple devices at once. The battery capacity is impressive, allowing extended usage without frequent recharging. It includes a wide range of output ports, offering flexibility for different types of devices. The build quality feels strong and durable, making it suitable for demanding environments. The control system is intuitive, allowing easy monitoring of power usage and battery status. Solar charging works efficiently, ensuring a steady supply of renewable energy. It also includes advanced safety protections for reliable operation. Overall, it's a powerful and versatile generator, ideal for serious energy requirements. Jackery HomePower Solar Generator. The Jackery HomePower solar generator is a well-known and trusted option that delivers consistent performance and reliability. I really like how it combines portability with strong power output, making it suitable for both home backup and outdoor use. The battery capacity is well balanced, providing enough energy for essential devices over extended periods. It includes multiple output options, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The design is sleek yet durable, built for long-term use. Solar charging is efficient, especially when paired with compatible panels. The interface is simple and easy to operate, even for beginners. It also includes safety features to protect against overload and overheating. Overall, it's a dependable generator that offers great performance and ease of use.
SolarGo 300-watt solar generator. The SolarGo 300-watt solar generator is a versatile and efficient option designed for everyday portable power needs. I like how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to carry and store without taking up much space. It delivers stable power output, suitable for charging smartphones, laptops, and small appliances. The battery performance is reliable, ensuring consistent usage throughout the day. It supports solar charging, allowing you to use clean and renewable energy wherever you go. The interface is simple and easy to understand, even for first-time users. Its durable construction makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Overall, it's a practical and affordable generator that provides dependable performance for users who need reliable, portable energy solutions.
Before we wrap up, these were my top picks for the best solar power generators that combine performance, portability, and overall value. Each option brings something unique, so choosing the right one really depends on your specific needs and lifestyle. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews from Smart Gadget Reviews.